This is Farabi and Anwarul and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work whole around the world. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, sir. This is our website fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact information and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And we have lot of buyer meeting whole around the world. Each and every day we perform lot of buyer meeting and some of our buyer meeting I have attached in my client meeting session. If you go to my client meeting sections, then you will find some of our buyer meeting I have attached here. Uh, this guy is from China, this guy is from USA, this guy is also from USA, this guy is from France, and this guy is from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And if you go next, then you will find more buyer meeting. And we have lot of freelancer in our team. If you go to our team member, then you will find lot of freelancer working with in our team. They all of our student and they are skilled freelancer, and they have a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, and in our website. If you open our any team member, then you if you go to here, and you will find all of them. And if you go to want to see their portfolio, you go to portfolio sections, then you go to see more, then you will find lot of work proof before we have done. Just a minute, I am showing you.
And can you send me this link to your website, please, when we get done?
Obviously, sir. After finishing the meeting, we'll send our website link to you and our YouTube channel link also, no problem. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Self. And in this channel, I have gained 158K subscriber and uploaded 158, 150, videos. And if you go to my videos popular sections, then you can see 1.1 million views, 6 lakh 16K views, 4 lakh 44K views, 3 lakh 94K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency. So recently our team member Anwarul has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir.
What we want done is to mess with the title of the videos because the title of the videos are based on what I know the clients are looking for in information. So
Okay,
it's not just,
we will not change fully change. We will optimize according to your niche. Your main focusing keyword would be okay. Then we will optimize remaining your focusing keyword. Okay, sir.
yeah, sometimes they'll change the title for S to make it more SEO friendly,
Yeah,
but the
yeah.
audience don't even look for that information. So you end up losing views because what the video is about, it got changed just to make it SEO friendly, but it doesn't relate to the actual video that you recorded and it messes things up. So that's why I said if we do move forward, I don't want the titles to be messed up. The title tags, the and all those other things, yes, that's fine, but the title itself need to be left alone.
Okay, no problem. If you want to keep your previous title, we will keep your title and we will put another our optimized title, no problem. And if you do not want to change your title, we will not change, no problem.
Yeah.
So, sir, now I am want to telling you about our packages and prices. So we have two packages for YouTube SEO. One is weekly package and another is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize you 30 video and it costs $300 for a month. And in our weekly package, we will optimize you 10 video and it costs $120. So, sir, which package do you choose, sir?
So let's take the packages again, please.
Okay, sir. We have two packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize you 10 video and it costs $120. And
Well,
another package, yeah, for
here's my
10,
question.
yeah.
Do 10 and 20 videos. So what do you recommend?
Okay. We have per video service also, no problem. For per video, you just take our per video service and per video is $20 only.
Okay.
So you can
Well,
take our per video service as one or two or three video as a test basis and judge our work. And if you are satisfied, then you can go for a weekly or monthly package. And I think you would be satisfied because maximum of our buyer rehiring us. They are rehiring us, and we are working, as I showed you, we are working with lot of clients.
Yeah. So the deal is I used to do a lot of videos every single week, but now I only do around 2 or 3 videos a week.
Okay,
So
no
that's,
problem. No
say
problem.
I do 3 a week times four, that's only 12 videos a month.
Okay, no problem. We will optimize per video basis service for you. No problem.
Okay. And that'd be $20 a video.
Yeah, per video is $20.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So our payment method is, our payment system is, when we start our work, then you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And we support Remitly and Western Union to get payment. Do you know about
Mhm.
Remitly, sir?
By who?
Remitly.
No.
Okay, no problem. Our team member will guide you how to pay by Remitly. And if you do not know how to pay by Remitly, we have another options, which is Western Union. I think, do you know about Western Union?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
I'm
No
familiar.
problem. What is your convenient? You can pay by us. No problem. So our work project starting process is, we have two method to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize of your videos, title, tag, descriptions by ourselves. But if you do not want to give your channel access, then we have another method, which is you can just send your video link to us. Then we will optimize that video and we will make a report sheet and hand over to you. Then you just copy paste each data by yourself. So which method do you
Yep.
choose, sir? Okay, no problem. So, sir. So now, how many videos you want to start with?
Well, just like I said, we're just meeting right now. So send me the information and let me get go over this with my wife, and then I'll definitely reach out to you by tomorrow.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. You take time and decide. And when you reach a decision, then you know to our team member Anwarul, then he will start to work after
I'll
giving the permissions.
send you an email tomorrow.
Okay, okay, sir. And thanks for your time. Hope to work with you for a long time. And sir,
Yeah.
take care. Take care. Bye for now. Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye.